Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make honey wine using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and equipment. You will need 3 pounds of your favorite honey, 1 gallon of clean water, and 1 packet of wine yeast. Additionally, ensure you have a 1-gallon carboy, an airlock, a stopper, and proper sanitizing solution ready. Getting everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get our honey wine started. Carefully pour your 3 pounds of honey into the 1-gallon carboy, then add the 1 gallon of water. Stir this mixture vigorously until the honey is fully dissolved, creating a uniform solution. Next, pitch your 1 packet of wine yeast directly into the liquid. Finally, secure the carboy with the stopper and airlock, ensuring a tight seal for successful fermentation. With your honey wine fermenting, it's time to monitor its progress. Place your carboy in a cool, dark location, ideally maintaining a temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. You will soon see consistent bubbling in the airlock, a clear sign of active fermentation. This primary fermentation typically lasts for about 2 to 4 weeks. As the yeast works, the bubbling will gradually slow down, indicating the process is nearing completion. Once primary fermentation is complete, it's time for racking. Gently siphon the clear honey wine into a clean, sanitized secondary vessel, being careful to leave all the sediment behind. This step helps clarify your wine. For best results, age your honey wine for at least 1 to 3 months. Longer aging often yields a richer flavor. Finally, bottle your beautiful, homemade honey wine into sanitized bottles and savor your creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.